Hello mga kaibigan and happy holidays. Yes, happy. Happy holidays sa inyong lahat. Nandito na naman ako, ang inyong presidente. Ang inyong counselor. Anyway, so welcome to another vlog that I'm doing. Siyempre, alam nyo na. Alam nyo na kung anong i-expect nyo dito sa vlog na to. Ready na kayo? So ito ang topic natin for today. I am going to be talking about year-end countdown. Year-end recap pala. Yan. Hindi ko alam to. Siyempre, may mahiwagang boses na naman na magkikwento sa akin kung ano yung mga nangyari. At magre-reminisce na ako at sasabihin ko lang sa inyo. Kwentuhan ko lang kayo kung ano yung mga nangyari doon. Insights. Let's go. Let's do it.
January, you won Best Supporting Actor at TAG Award, and then the Virality of PS Adventure, Igawad Rizalianeta Award for Most Outstanding Teleserye.
Ano ba masasabi ko doon? Hindi ko in-expect. Yes. Dahil, syempre, I've been trying to do this for quite some time already. And again, Maria Clara at Ibarra, hindi ko in-expect na ganun yung magiging reception para sa show na yun. Lagi namin siya ginagawa. And yung virality or yung attention, even in other countries na may mga Filipinos or even foreigners, hindi namin na-experience yun regularly. Kaya, overwhelmed. And medyo tumaas yung expectations na tuloy ng sarili ko, tsaka syempre ng other people as well when it comes to us doing projects like that. Sulit siya, sulit yung naging blood, sweat, and tears namin while shooting that project. So, yun ano naman yun. Parang, it's not just me, guys. I was just put in the right position to be able to succeed, or we were all put in that position to be able to succeed. Pero it's the concept, it's the shooting, it's the storytelling, etc. Kung wala yun, hindi magiging successful yung project na yun. At saka syempre yung the concept of basically Noli Me Tangere and filibusterismo is renowned naman talaga.
Okay, next. April, Maria Clara and Ibarra on Netflix, turning 30, and Joyce's birth to Aggie.
So, April was an interesting month. Turning 30, wala kami masyadong ginawa. Normal birthday lang kasi syempre, due date na ni Joyce yung time na yun. Hindi na kami masyadong gumalaw. Ayaw namin magkasakit. Giving birth to Aggie that's a whole other story in itself. Kung gusto niyo makita yung birth story ni Joyce, sobrang ibang-ibang experience yung birth experience with Liam as compared to Aggie. Siyempre, ito yung perspective ko na napakabilis lang talaga. Akala ko I had a lot of time. Bilis lang pangyayari. Nandun ako nung whole thing dahil medyo mas lenient na ang mga hospitals ngayon. It was amazing. Sobrang sakit ng ulo ko after. Not that I was trying to steal the spotlight from Joyce. Pero, di ko rin kinaya. Nakatulog din ako ng masakit yung ulo ko. Yeah, yung Netflix. Kahit hanggang ngayon, ano ba ngayon? December na. May Maria Clara pa rin sa Netflix. Nagkaroon ng second wind yung project kasi thanks to Netflix na Maria Clara at Ibarra. Kaya parang, wow, parang syempre on-demand mo na napapanood eh. Tapos hindi na abangan sa TV. Kaya mas maraming nag-binge ng Maria Clara at Ibarra. Kaya sobrang nakatulong ng malaki yun for that show.
June, yung
Casa de Eliam naman, isa sa pinakamalaking investment namin ni Joyce as a married couple. Very happy kami dun kasi syempre maraming mga nag-partner with us that helped us attain our goal of furnishing and building our home that we had rented out. That's why we don't live there. Pero overall, parang dream come true siya for us. Kakaiyak naman to, guys. Hindi ako naiyak.
July, Eliam's birthday. Maging sino ka man, story ko.
licenses by next year. Lagi ko naman sinasabi na parang yung News and Public Affairs family ko has always been there for me simula ng pagkabinata ko. I love doing this day. Di ba? Masaya ako na ginagawa ko to. Masaya ako na kwentuhan ko kayo. Di ba? Kayo ba? Masaya kayo? Thank you guys for watching. Please do share and like and comment kung ano yung mga nagustuhan yung parts dito. At syempre kung ano yung mga gusto nyong gawin pa namin in the future. Lagi nyong tatandaan to walk your dogs every day and feed them twice a day. Happy New Year! Belated Merry Christmas! And paalam sa inyong lahat. Mula sa Juancho's Corner.